In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paraphrase and rewrite text using ChatGPT 2026 guide. We'll move beyond basic synonym swaps and show you how to generate fresh, accurate prose that still respects the original meaning, structure, and sources. First, avoid the generic paraphrase this trap. Simple word substitution is predictable and won't meet professional or academic standards. Instead, prime ChatGPT with a structural blueprint. Ask it to act as an expert developmental editor and copywriter. Then have it do three things before rewriting. Identify the core thesis and three supporting arguments. Completely rebuild the sentence hierarchy so passive or conditional openings become active and direct, and paraphrase to your target style, such as professional, academic, or plain language. Add a strict constraint that it must not merely swap synonyms and must preserve technical definitions and data accuracy. Paste your source block after this instruction so it can reason about structure before it rewrites. Next, inject context, source files, and vocabulary locks. If you're working with specialized material, upload your PDF, document, or notes using the plus or paperclip icon beside the prompt box. When industry terms must remain untouched, lock them in your instructions. For example, tell ChatGPT to paraphrase the attached brief for a general audience, but keep specific terms exactly as written. This protects brand names, acronyms, and legal phrasing while allowing everything else to be refreshed. Then calibrate tone and length for your audience. If the text is dense, invoke the Feynman technique to explain the core mechanism in clear, first-year friendly language with a simple analogy. For web or business copy, request a highly concise pass, cutting fluff, passive phrasing, and redundancy, and reducing the word count by about 30%. For academic work, ask for an objective, neutral, authoritative tone, removal of first-person pronouns, and formatting that's ready for citation mapping. Treat the initial draft as a starting point and run iterative fine-tuning in the same thread. If a paragraph feels stiff, ask for livelier verbs and split long sentences for better flow. For originality, request a proximity check against the source and have any matching three-word sequences reworked to ensure truly new phrasing. Finally, stay aligned with ethics and integrity. Paraphrasing clarifies, it doesn't erase authorship. Keep original citations and attribute ideas using the correct style, such as APA, MLA, or Chicago. If you're working from a foreign language paper, upload it and ask ChatGPT to translate into English while simultaneously paraphrasing into clear bullet points that explain the core methodology. That's it. Move from word swapping to structural rewriting to sharpen clarity, protect accuracy, and develop a distinct voice. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.